1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4, 5, 6, learning is easy. 7, 8, 9, you're doing fine. Now let's say 10, one more time. 1, jump up high. 2, hands to the sky. 3, clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, learning numbers happily. 4, look both ways, then cross the street. 5, clean hands before you eat. 6, share your toys, be kind today. That's the Bubble Kids safety way. 7, 8, 9, and 10, let's count together once again. Numbers help us every day. Smart and safe, hooray, hooray! 1, 2, 3, we learned today. Counting safe the Bubble Kids way.